Guidelines for International Arrivals released by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Before boarding, all travellers shall give an undertaking that they would undergo mandatory quarantine for 14 days, 7 days paid institutional quarantine at their own cost, followed by 7 days isolation at home with self-monitoring of health. Only for exceptional and compelling reasons such as cases of human distress, pregnancy, death in family, serious illness, and parents accompanied by children below 10 years as assessed by the receiving states, home quarantine may be permitted for 14 days. Use of Arogya Setu app shall be mandatory in such cases. Do's and don'ts shall be provided along with ticket to the travellers by the agencies concerned. All passengers shall be advised to download Arogya Setu app on their mobile devices. At the time of boarding the flight or ship, only asymptomatic travellers will be allowed to board after thermal screening. Passengers arriving through the land borders will also have to undergo the same protocol as above, and only those who are asymptomatic will be enabled to cross the border into India. Self-declaration form in duplicate shall be filled by the person in the flight or ship, and a copy of the same will be given to health and immigration officials present at the airport, seaport or land port. The form may also be made available on Arogya Setu app. Suitable precautionary measures such as environmental sanitation and disinfection shall be ensured at the airports as well as within the flights. During boarding and at the airports, all possible measures to ensure social distancing to be ensured. Suitable announcement about COVID-19, including precautionary measures to be followed, shall be made at airports, port, and in flights, ships, and during transit. While on board the flight or ship, required precautions such as wearing of masks, environmental hygiene, respiratory hygiene, hand hygiene, etc. are to be observed by airline, ship staff, crew and all passengers. On arrival, thermal screening would be carried out in respect of all the passengers by the health officials present at the airport, seaport, land port. The passengers found to be symptomatic during screening shall be immediately isolated and taken to medical facility as per health protocol. The remaining passengers shall be taken to suitable institutional quarantine facilities to be arranged by the respective state UT governments. These passengers shall be kept under institutional quarantine for a minimum period of 7 days. They shall be tested as per ICMR protocol available at www.mohfw.gov.in. If they test positive, they shall be assessed clinically. If they are assessed as mild cases, they will be allowed home isolation or isolated in the COVID care center, both public and private facilities as appropriate. Those having moderate or severe symptoms will be admitted to dedicated COVID health facilities and managed accordingly. If found negative, they shall be advised to further isolate themselves at home and self-monitor their health for 7 days. In case any symptoms develop, they shall inform the district surveillance officer or the state or national call center, that's 1075. Note: states can also develop their own protocol with regards to quarantine and isolation as per their assessment.